Hello and welcome back to Ganesh Institute channel. So in today's video we are going to discuss about normal form of a matrix. So any matrix which can be represented as this form. That means all the rows and columns which are at the last. So last row and last column, all the elements must be 0 and rest whatever elements are left, those should be in the form of identity matrix, right? Of order R. Okay, so you can say that this R is the rank and this is the normal form. So let's see with an example how we can get a normal form of a matrix, and also how can we find out the rank of that particular normal form. So here in this question we have to reduce the matrix this into normal form, that is making identity matrix and last row and last column as 0, and then we have to find its rank, that means R. Okay, so let's begin. First of all, either use elementary row transformation or column transformation or mix of them, but make them identity element. So in order to make this one, can we interchange R1 with R2, right? So what we can do, 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 4, this is R1, 2 3 minus 1 minus 1, this has become R2 now. Rest is everything as it is. Rest everything is as it is. Now we have to make all other of them zeros. So R2 minus 2 R1, R3 minus 3 R1, and R4 minus 6 R1, right? Because if you see, R1 is as it is, R2 minus 2 R1. So 2 minus 2, 0, 3. So R2 minus 2 R1. So 3 plus 2, 5. Then R2 minus 2 R1. So minus 1 plus 4, that is 3. R2 minus 2 R1. R1 is what? Minus 4 for this. So minus 1 plus 8, that is 7, right? Then R3 minus 3 R1, right? So if we do R3 minus 3 R1, what we'll get is R3 is here, this one, 3 minus 3 R1, so 0. Then 1 minus 3 R1 is what? Minus 1. So minus minus plus 1 plus 3 is 4. R3 minus 3 R1 is minus 2. So 3 plus 6 is 9. Then R3 minus 3 R1 minus 2 plus 12, 10, right? Then what we have got for R4 is R4 minus 6 R1, right? So R4, which is 6 minus 6 R1, which is 1, is 0. Then R4 minus 6 R1, which is minus 1. So 3 plus 6, 9. R4, which is 0, minus 6 R1, which is minus 2. So plus 12. Then R4, which is minus 7, minus 6 R1. 6 4 is 24, plus 24. So minus 7 plus 24 is 17, right? So this target has been completed because we have to make identity element, identity matrix, and then last row and last column as 0. So what's the next step? We have to make this as 1, right? So in order to make this one, before that, make it as 0. You are done with this part, right? Make rest of these zeros. So for that, what you can do? You can use column operations, right? If you can, you have C2. So if you add 1, that means C2 plus C1. Then in C3, if you can add C3 plus 2C1, and in C4, C4 plus 4C1, right? What you will get then? So you have got here. So your this part is fine. Now you are focusing on C2, column 2. So minus 1 plus 1 is 0. Then C2 plus C1. 5 plus 0 is 5. 4 plus 0 is 4. And 9 plus 0 is 9. Right? Then C3 plus 2C1. C3 is what? Minus 2 plus 1 plus 2 times 1 is 0. Then this is your C3. Here. 3 plus 2C1. C1 is what? 0. So it will be 3 only, right? Everything will be as same because you are adding 2 times 0 in them, right? C1 is all 0 apart from first element. Then you have minus 4 plus 4, which will make it 0. Then this is 7 plus 4C1. Again, C1 is what? 0, right? So that means you can have every element as same, right? Now, next part will be to make it 1. How you can make it 1? If you see, you have to make this R3. So if you can do, see, this is what you have to do, like make this identity element as 1. But before that, the difficult part is to make them zeros. So check if you can make them zeros. If I do R4 minus R2 minus R3 all together, so you will see that you are getting zeros. See, 9 minus 4 minus 5, 0. Then 12 minus 9 minus 3, 0. 17 minus 10 minus 7 is 0, right? Rest all are same. Here you have got zeros. Then 5, 4, 3, 9, 7, 10. Correct? Now, next part would be you have to make this 1, right? Because our part was to make all the elements in the last row and last column 0. So we have made last row 0. We have made first row accordingly, right? Now, let's move on as per this part. So make this as 1. How you can do so? If you subtract R2 minus R3. So you will easily get, so this is as it is. This is as it is. These are also as it is. So 5 minus 4 is 1. 3 minus 9 is minus 6. 7 minus 10 is minus 3. And this is 4, 9, 10. Right? Now, if you have to make this part as 0, what you will do? R3 minus 4R2. Correct? Because you have to make these as zeros, right? So this will become, this is as it is. These are as it is. And zeros. Now, you are not doing anything to R2. R3 minus 4R2. That means 4 minus 4, 0. 9 minus 4 times minus 6. 9 plus 6 for the 24. 24 and 9, 33. Then R3, which is 10 minus 4 R2, which is minus 3. Minus minus plus 12 and 10, 22. Right? Now next part would be you have to make side by side, make columns also zeros. So in column you need these two as zeros, right? So how you can make, so if you can, let me remove the previous part. So just bear with me. So here, if you have to make rest, that is these elements as zeros, this one, this one. So how you can do so? You have got this as 1. So you can, from C3 you can add 6 C2 and C4 also 3 C2, right? Because then minus 6 plus 6 will become 0, minus 3 plus 3 will become 0, right? So 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 here, and all the elements in the bottom row. Then you are not touching the third row. In second row, what you are doing? C3 plus 6 C2. So 1, this you are not touching, column 2, right? Column 2 is as it is. In column 3, what you are doing? Minus 6 plus 6, 0, and this will become 0, right? Now the last part is to make this as 1 and this as 0, right? So to make it 1, what you will do? Divide it by 33, right? I'm not doing it in row. See, because if you do in row, then 22 by 33 will make it a fraction, right? So that's why I'm only applying in column, because that will not difficult to solve as all other elements are 0. So you will see here that this is your again same part, and here also you have zeros. Then in second row you have your desired result. In third column you are dividing it by 33, so 1, and here you are not doing anything, right? Now what you need to do, you have to make this 22 as 0 also, right? So what you can do, you can do C4 tends to C4 minus 22 C3, isn't it? Because by doing so, what you can get is, just bear with me, I am erasing some part. So by doing so, what you can get is the desired result, which is 1 0 0. Everything is as per the outcomes which we want, 0 1 0. So 22 minus 22 is again 0, correct? So now you can see that these elements are forming 3 by 3 identity matrix, and rest all are zeros, correct? So first of all, this is the normal form for this 4 by 4 matrix. Just bear with me, what is happening? So for this 4 by 4 matrix, you have got this normal form where the rank is 3, because rest all are in the Euclidean form, zeros. I hope you understood this topic, and if so, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Till my next video, take care of yourself. Bye bye.